Hey, what's up? I'm Jim. I'm really excited to bring you our all new website designed for stock, options, and will strategy trading. Personally, I have over 25 years plus of trading stocks, options, futures, and the Forex markets. OptyTrades, which I designed, is for traders and investors that want to trade and invest in stocks and income strategies like the wheel strategy. Whether you're a long term buy and hold investor, a swing trader, or you're running option strategies like the wheel, this platform was built for you. Personally, I got tired of jumping between 5 different tools just to research a stock and then try and find a trade that I wanted for the wheel. So I built OptyTrades, one platform that covers stock research, curated watch lists, and options trading all in one place. This is video 1, just a quick walkthrough of everything that's in there right now. Let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do real quick is go through our disclaimer so you guys can understand this is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute any financial investment or legal advice. Options trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. You may lose some or all of your money that you invest. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and always do your research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. OptyTrades is an educational resource and does not manage client funds or provide personalized investment advice. So this is the screener, and we're going to start here. This is the foundation of everything. You pull up any stock, you get a full breakdown, profitability, financial health, institutional ownership, earnings proximity, options liquidity, every metric scored and explained. This isn't just a number. Each component tells exactly why the stock scored the way that it did, so you're evaluating it for long-term hold, a swing trade, or an options play. And we're going to get deep into this whole section, what it does, how it works in a future video, one by one. Just as an example here, we can get to some of our fundamentals here. We can go to a deeper analysis, and we can choose pre-curated watch lists here. We can sort and search by many different features. We can turn the options mechanism on and off to help us find option stocks. The watch list allows us to go in and look for things like Buffett quality, financially healthy companies with durable businesses, your classic buy and hold names, dividend aristocrats, consistent dividend players for income investors, deep value, undervalued companies trading below what the fundamentals say they're worth, CANSLIM growth, high growth momentum names following the classic William O'Neill framework, and high premium, stocks with elevated IV and strong options liquidity. These are for wheel trader names. So no matter what kind of investor you are, there's a list built for you. Opty's Picks. This is Opty's Picks. Every week, the AI scans the best cash secured put setups. Each one gets a clear entry signal. Each one gets a favorable, mixed, or unfavorable risk based on IV rank, wheel score, price positioning, and timing. If you want a short list of trades to look at each week without spending hours screening, this is Opty's Picks, the best of the best. AI Trader takes it a step further. This is Opty's Picks on steroids. This is the one I'm excited about. Just finishing this up, it took us a long time to build this. AI does everything. It searches the universe of stocks that we have. It looks at targeting 5 DTE options and monthly book at 30 to 45 days out. You want to trade options weekly? Every Monday. You're going to see it here. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. Also on Fridays, before the market ends, those stocks that you're in, it'll tell you if you need to roll those stocks. Monthlies, same thing as weeklies, but these are 30 to 45 days out for those of you that have a larger account and want to hold longer. If you notice right now in this week's trade, we've deployed 124,000 in capital, and there's 125,000 left. So every week we get a new set of trades, or we get an update on these trades. So every single week, we're going to add new stocks and give you the information that you need to make these trades. On the monthlies, every single week, we're going to look at the picks that we have, see what they're doing, add any new picks, add any new trades. We will try to add trades weekly to get this number moving a little bit up and your returns moving a little bit up. We have a trade journal for this. The trade journal keeps track of the monthlies versus the weeklies. You can kind of keep track and see how you're doing long term, what's doing better. And you go down here and you can see more data on the monthlies and on the weeklies. So if you're just learning the wheel and you want to see how this strategy works out week to week, this is a great place to come in and look at every single week. You can even look at it daily. You'll get updates sometimes daily on the news events, things like that. But for the most part, you're looking at this on Fridays and Mondays. This is all AI generated, AI built, and it's not a generic chatbot. This uses the best AI out there. From here, let's take a look at the trade journal. This is my live trade journal. Started January 8th, started at 70,000. I set this account up just for the new website so I can show that trading the wheel works. Current balance 75,608. We're on track to bring in about 24% on the year. Adjusted balance 73,396. That's minus the unrealized. Unrealized is stocks that are open that we're still trading covered calls on. This number will fluctuate, so don't get caught up in it, okay? We can drill down to a single stock. And again, we're going to go deep into this in the next few videos coming up. Income planner. There's two income planners. The first one is manual. You can plug in your numbers and see how sustainable the income is that you're making for the wheel. The second one ties directly to your trade journal. And you can set this up to show you how much money you can take out each month on your trade journal based on your buckets of reserve and trading. Trade breakdowns. This is where I put the videos up with full breakdowns of the trades that I'm doing live in my personal live account. Every video here is a specific trade. So you can go in and you can go back to March, look at March trades. Let's go back to April, look at April trades, and scroll down, look for the trade that you want to see, and you can see how I did it and what I did. Options education. Right now we've got how to sell a cash secured put for new options traders. Coming up will be the covered call version of this. And then I'm going to go into some advanced options selling. Things that you guys need for advanced trading the wheel strategy. Calculator. You've got multiple calculators in here. You can check your options premiums here, your position sizing here, your assignment risk here, your roll analysis here, wheel breakdown here. I even threw in an income and savings calculator that you guys can play around with. So under your wheel features, you've got a few more things here that you guys can look at. If you want to know how the wheel strategy works, click the wheel strategy button here, and you get a nice little walkthrough. All right, so let's go back out to the main screen, the screener, and I want to point out we've got this feature here called Ask Opty, and Opty is a AI-driven Ask chatbot. So you can ask it anything about the website. We still got a few places that we're working on this, so it functions well in most places, but I'm cleaning it up in a couple others. Come on over to www.optytrades.com, OptyTrades, OptyTrades.com. Sign up for 2 weeks. We're looking forward to having you on board, and we'll see you on the website.